ordinary activity are actually very different than preliminary practice as shown below. The cause is different, since here the actions are done with a special motivation to employ the skillful means and wisdom of secret mantra as a way to discover the wisdom of our own awareness. The path is also different, since this Rushen of body, speech, and mind with its practice of skillful means cuts through attachment, aversion, and ignorance, with the result that they can only be reduced, never strengthened. There is also a vast difference in the result of the practice, which is the great wisdom of awareness. Those of highest capacity will realize this directly, and those of middling and lesser capacity will find that their ordinary minds seem less solid, so that it is easier for the point of the introduction to hit home.